I was hoping to get this on earlier, but it's 6 p.m. here, so you can see it's really, really dark, and you can hear the bells. I think they go off at 6 a.m., again at noon, and then at 6 p.m. So it's kind of cool being in Poland. It doesn't matter what city I've been in. Krakow, which is where I am now, Łódź, or Warsaw. Doesn't matter. It's all the same. 6 a.m., noon, and 6 p.m. It's kind of neat because in other places I've been, you only hear them once a day, usually at noon. But here it's 3 times a day, every single day. So I wanted to get it on tape so that you could hear it, because I think it's really cool. You always know what time it is. At least at, 6, 6, and 12. But it's cold, so I'm closing the window and coming back inside. But I just wanted to share that with you because, again, it's one of those little things that makes me so happy in a weird kind of way. Cold. But yeah, you can see it is really dark here. Like, streetlights are not really a thing in Poland. There's some, but not like in Canada where everything is lit up like Christmas at night. So that's kind of different. But yeah, I thought that was cool and wanted to share it. So for all my Facebook friends and family, things are going well here. It is cold. There is snow. I put up pictures of the snow. Not a lot, and most of it melted today. But yeah, it's kind of reminding me of home in a way. But I hope everybody's well, and just checking in so y'all know I'm fine. And I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.